Students, yesterday I taught you the addition sums and the addition stories, isn't it? So today I am going to teach you the subtraction sums. Okay, see, this is the subtraction sum. Already you know the subtraction sums. Okay, tell me, this is which sign? This is, yes, you know this, which sign this is? This is minus sign, isn't it? So first of all, you have to begin from ones place. You have to begin from the ones place. Before you do the subtraction sums, see, compare the numbers. You have to compare the numbers. What you have to see? Whether here biggest number is there or smallest number is there. You have to see. If above the biggest number is there, means you can do the easily subtraction, isn't it? Here 9 is there. In 9 mangoes you can eat the 3 mangoes, isn't it? So 9 minus 3, how much? 6. How to do this minus? You have to see here, below the 9, 3 is there. So raise your 3 fingers and here 9 is there. Count backward number, isn't it? 8, 7, 6. So 6 I wrote. This is the one method. Another one method, what? From 3 to 9 you count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Answer came same. So these are the two ways. Okay. Whichever you feel easy, you have to follow that. Okay. Now next is 2 minus 2, 0. Understanding all of you? Now next, compare the numbers. Here above which number is there? 6 is there and below 9 is there. So 6 is smaller than 9. Now what to do? We can't do the minus easily, isn't it? So what we have to do? We have to borrow here. 6 you have to make here 16. Now 16 minus 9 you have to do. Here 16 is there, here 9 is there. Raise your 9 fingers and here 16 is there. Count backward. 16 before the 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So here answer will come 7. Another one method I told you, 9 to 16. See, same answer will come. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay? 7 fingers I closed. So answer is 7. Two ways are there. Whichever you think easy, that you follow. Next here 4 is there. Here 1 is there. If you are taking here carry, then that carry you have to minus the tens place. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. Now see, compare the numbers. 5 is bigger than 2. So easily we can do the minus. 5 minus 2, 3 and 8 minus 1, 7. Now see here. Compare the numbers. 5 is smaller than 7. So what we have to do here? Yes, what we have to do? We have to borrow. Okay. 15 minus 7. How much? 7 to 15 count. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much came here? How many fingers I folded here? 7. So is it, see, 15 minus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 8 fingers I folded, isn't it? So here, write here 8. Or else one more method is there. 15 is there, 7 is there. Raise your 7 fingers and 15 to till 7 count backward. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10 and 9, 8. 8 is there like this. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 5, 1. Understood? Now this is the vertical subtraction. Now we are doing the horizontal subtraction. What is the horizontal subtraction? Horizontal subtraction means from right to left. From right to left. Or sorry, left to right we have to do. 9 minus 6, how much? It is 3. Now this how to do? This is ones place, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is tens place. First ones place to ones place. Okay. 5 minus 0, you have to write here 5. 2 minus 2, 0. So answer is 5. Okay. Now next is 43 minus 3. Here ones place is there, ones place is there. This is tens place. 3 minus 3, how much? 0. And 4 as it is 40. Okay. Now 50 minus 50. It is 0. Understood all of you? Okay. Now see here. Now subtraction story sums. Subtraction story sums. See here. First of all, whenever you are doing the subtraction story sums, read properly the story. What is the story? See, out of the 52 students in a class, 28 are girls. 28 are girls. How many boys are there in a class. Okay. Whenever I am teaching you the addition story sums, I told you have to write the statement. What is the statement here? Here, statement you have to write. Okay. Now, statement. What is first out of the 52 students? The number of students. What? Number of student. Number of students. How many students are there? 52 students are there. Okay. In that, the number next is number of girls. Number of girls. How many girls are there? There are 28 girls. How many girls are there? 28 girls are there. Isn't it? So what is here? What you have to find out? You have to find out the number of boys. Number of subtraction story sums. Okay, whenever you are doing the subtraction story sums, you have to read properly what is the story. Okay, what is the story here? First of all, out of the 52 students in a class, 28 are girls. Okay, and how many boys are there in a class? You have to find out the number of boys in the class. Okay, so whenever I am teaching the addition story sums, that time I told you to first you have to write the statement. So what is the statement here? First of all, number of students. How many students are there in a class? Number of students are 52, and number of girls. Number of girls are 28. What you have to find out? You have to find out the number of boys. You have to find out the number of boys. So here you have to do the minus. Okay. So this is 1's place, this is 10's place. Compare the numbers. 2 is smaller than 8. Then what we have to do? We have to borrow here. Okay. To make it 12. Okay. Now you do the subtraction. 12 minus 8. Okay. Here 8 is there. Raise your 8 fingers and count the backward numbers. Here 12, 11, okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So here answer will come 4. One more method is there. 8 to 12 you count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers I folded? 4. Here 4 is there. Okay. So like this. So 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. So number of boys are 24. One more example is there. See here. Bittu invited 53 friends to a party. He is celebrating his birthday party. So he invited the 53 friends. Okay. 28 of them could not come. 28 of them could not come to the birthday party. So how many friends came Bittu's party? You have to find out the how many friends came to the Bittu's party. Okay. Write here statement. Write here statement. What is the statement here? The number of friends. Bittu invited number of friends. Number of friends. How much? Number of friends. Okay, how much? 53. Okay. In the 53, 28 of them could not come. How? Okay, 28 of could not come. The number of friends could not come. Could not come. Okay. How much here? 53 and how much? 28. 28. 2 minus this. Okay. Here 3 is there. 3 is smaller than 8. So borrow. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8. Okay. 8 fingers and count the backward. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 and 5. Okay. So here 5 or 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 11, 12, 13. So here 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5. Okay. Now here 4. 4 minus 2, 2. Okay. So how many friends? The number of the friends to party 28 could not come. So how many friends came to Bittu's party? Okay. Number of friends came to party. How much? 25. Okay, students, I hope you all are understood these all the sums. Okay, see these sums and solve the worksheets. Thank you.